dot doodle, let's draw today. Sketch it out the fun that way.
Hey, what's up everyone? Today we're going to be drawing Tails from Sonic. So grab your pencil, your paper, and some markers, and let's get started.
Alright, let's break Tails down into basic shapes. A half circle for his head, some triangles for his ears, some sharp triangles for his hair, an oval for the start of his muzzle. Now let's make some spikes for each side of his cheeks. I'll make a bean shape for his body. And I'm just going to outline the fur on his chest and belly. Do you see how his arms make a triangle shape? I'm just outlining them. Straight lines for his legs. Let's do ovals for the top of his sneakers. And long rounded triangle shapes for his sneakers. I'm going to use S curves to make these long tail shapes. I'll do large half ovals for his eyes. Feel free to pause and rewind if you need more time. In the next step, we'll be putting them on paper. I'm just taking these basic shapes we identified and lightly sketching them out on paper. Does your sketch look as rough as mine? Let me know in the comments below. In the next step, we'll be refining the details with our reference image in the corner of the screen. Let's start off by rounding out his muzzle a little bit better. I'm just sketching in his little nose right here. Let's refine those spiky cheek shapes right now. And don't forget to put in his little smile. Right at the top of his eyes, we're going to put in some curved lines to show that he has eyebrows. Let's draw in the insides of his eyes now. I'm making a slight curve here for the left side of his head. Now I'll sharpen up that triangle for his ear. Now I'll make another triangle shape for the inside of his ear. Let's draw in his iconic hair. Don't forget his other ear. How am I doing so far? Post in the comments if you have any tips for me. All I'm doing is taking these basic shapes and refining them to look more like the reference image. I'm having a tough time with this belly shape. What's the hardest part for you?
Let's give those tails a little more detail. I'm going to do a C shape on both sides of his legs here, and then I'm going to close another circle right there. Let's make his shoes look a little bit sharper now. Now we'll do the same thing on the other side. Stick around, because in the next step, we'll be making tails pop right off the page with some black marker outline. It's time to commit. I'm switching to some black marker now to make tails pop off the page. Wow, he's starting to look great. I want to see what yours looks like in the comments below. In the next step, we'll make tails come to life with just 5 alcohol markers. I'm using yellow to show where the light hits tails' body. Now let's drop in some of that iconic orange color. Time to color in those red shoes. Wow, he looks awesome. Now it's time to drop in some shadows. Thanks for drawing along with me today. If your kids are obsessed with Sonic as mine are, then they'll love this Metal Sonic drawing too. That video really challenged my shading skills. Subscribe to join our drawing family.
Dad doodle, let's draw today. Sketch it out the fun that way.